Vibes si JR.
Hello, that's me.
Hello everyone, this is Richmond, your RL Vibes, and this week is midterms week, kaya mag-aaral tayo ng mabuti. And so in this video, you will see kung paano tayo mag-aral, kung paano tayo mag-juggle ng mga student orgs natin while doing the midterms week. Let's go! Nasa office ako ngayon ng mom ko kasi mag-print tayo ng notes natin na kinuha natin sa ChatGPT since open notes naman daw sabi ni ma'am sa midterms natin ng Prof Dev. Favorite prof ko talaga siya because she's the one who helped me nung first year na maging better version of myself. Madalas kasi siya magpa-oral report kaya ayan, madaldal tayo. So ayan, na-print na natin. Let's go to school! If you've seen my other videos, nakabike ako usually kaso sira kasi siya ngayon and no time to fix it since midterms week. So commute muna tayo for now. After arriving sa school, nag-review na agad ako. Pero syempre, I am also an officer of different orgs so I accomplished them even during the midterms week. Di na ako nakapag-video pero I just went to the kitchen to look for chef to borrow equipment for CCF 2025. So what is CCF? CCF is Campus Club Fair and annually siya ginagawa sa TUA. I'll be making a vlog about that so stay tuned by subscribing and liking this content. Right now, back to review na ako. Ayan, medyo nainis na ako pero chill lang. And review ulit, syempre. Practice test each other before mag-exam. Ganyan ang bonding. This is how we are being placed during exam. Magkakalayo ang mga magtatropa. I was able to capture a last video before the exam. And right now, ayan, tapos na kami mag-exam. Actually ako. Ma'am is discussing right now kung anong gagawin ng mga students na hindi sasama sa tour. Yes, we have a tour and that's another vlog. Good news for you kasi sasama ako ng tour. So stay tuned. Right now, we are going to eat our lunch kasi may gagawin pa tayo later. Kunwaring masaya siya. After eating, I called the doctor sa St. Luke's to see if available siya. I just need to check something kaya yun. Let's go. I used the stairs kasi ang tagal na pila sa elevator. 5th floor pala ako by the way. Tapos may dala pa akong bag because I can't risk iwan sa work ko. Baka kasi may makalimutan akong documents. Fast forward na I'm back sa work pero I have also duties sa orgs and still preparing the papers for approval. May assignment din kami which is to create a catering event and here it is. So it's Wednesday and nasa office ulit ako ni Mama because I need a calculator for our computation exam and some papers I need to print again. Fast forward, we are at TUA High School building since dito ang klase and here are the notes na na-print ko kahapon pa. Diba? Fast forward ulit kasi hindi ako nakapag-record since we have 3 exams today. So apologies. This computing before our next exam by the way. Also early lunch na din para may energy tayo. Review na classmates ko pero ako hindi. Didn't review much kasi it's honestly quite easy especially since may calculator naman and all you need to understand is the formula and how to solve it. Numbers are just numbers that you'll be adding, subtracting, multiplying, and dividing. 2 exams down, 1 to go for today. Last exam namin is cross-cultural studies and legit, I didn't review much din kasi need mo lang maintindihan is yung mga terms, then goods ka na.
Ito si Miss.
Deserve this kaya wag na kayo mag-say ng anything.
Talaga na Vibes si JR.
Hello, that's me.
Nag-crave ako bigla ng pasta nung pumunta ako ng canteen kaya ayan. If nagtataka kayo ba't parang di pa kami nag-exam, it's because 4 pa ang exam namin and it's about 2 pa lang right now. Pero anyways, going to college campus since I'll be doing my orgs duties. Sila, ewan ko saan sila punta.
POV, hindi na namin kaya.
Hashtag kaya pa. Hashtag utos pa.
Nakita nyo kami kanina mag-sort ng mga papers. That was for our tour requirements. And right now, need namin mga infos nila. So, ayan, nagsusulat sila. Fast forward, the exam was easy pero di ako confident sa score ko. Pero forget about that kasi may 2 exams pa tayo and it's sobrang hirap. Sana hindi. And anyways, ayan, pauwi na kami. Ingat! Thursday and 2 exam tayo for today.
Ano daw?
After the 5, make your public relation.
Last video take before the exam. Let's go! Ayan, after the exam agad. Diba? Bilis! This is the last exam and it's actually the hardest out of all. Talking, biglang nagsabi si JR neto.
Isang tao lang. Dapat malalaman mo muna ang pinaka-award. turns. Wings.
Oh, no wings. Ano yung isa? Okay.
Yun lang.
Oh, may video proof tayo.
Summary,
Oh, sige.
JR will treat the first person he knew that got a perfect score in both prelims and midterms for cost control. So here we have video proof that he said it. Anyways, the exam was done and not that confident again with my grades kasi sobrang hirap niya talaga. So after the exam, I went to work already and that's the end of my midterm vlog. Hope you enjoyed it and I'll update you who got the perfect score for prelims and midterms for cost control. This is RL Vibes. Bye!